Welcome to AWS Cloud Computing. This is the lesson number 2. So from here we are going to talk about the next lesson. Here we are going to talk about 5 essential characteristics in service models for deployment models. So here in the first slide we were talking about points, but here we are going to talk about in detail. So these are the areas we are going to talk about detail. Essential characteristic: broad network access, measured service, on-demand self-service, rapid elasticity, service model, software as service, platform as service, infrastructure as service, deployment models, public, private, hybrid. So move on to the next slide. Cloud computing model, on-demand self-service. Consumers can provision and access compute resources on demand without needing human interaction from the provider. This means users can quickly get what they need without waiting for manual approval. Here, the AWS can log into and create a virtual machine without getting any support. But that is the normal example. Broad network access. Cloud services are accessible over the internet, allow users to access them from various devices, including laptop and smartphone and tablet. For example, imagine as a person who access a file from the computer. After that, he can also access the same file from the mobile phone. Resource pooling. Resource pooling. The provider's compute resources are pooled to serve multiple consumer different physical virtual resource dynamically assigned and reallocated according to demand. This allows for efficient resource utilization and scalability. Imagine the particular application is running. For example, this will arrange all the memory and CPU requirement according to that. Rapid elasticity. Cloud computing allows the ability to quickly scale resources up and down, in some cases automatically, to make change in demand. This means that resources can be quickly added, removed as needed, ensuring optimal performance and cost efficiency. Here what we say is, for example, if the website is getting a lot of traffic, and if traffic, the system can organize the requirement according to that, and it will also reduce the requirement also when the traffic is going down. Measure service. Cloud providers monitor resources usage and provide detailed information about consumption. AWS enabling accurate billing and resource optimization. This allows for transparent and control resource usage. Here you get the detailed report of what you use and clear report only what you use. That's the measured service. Service model. What is a service model? Actually, service model, it describes what you get from the cloud. Software as service. A software distribution model where applications are hosted by service provider users or the internet. In this particular model, you get the access to software as Gmail, Microsoft 65, Dropbox, Salesforce. Platform as here developer get all the platform to run the coding and all. That's why it says cloud computing model that provide developers the platform to build, test and deploy applications without managing underlying infrastructure. Infrastructure, a form of cloud computing that provides virtualized computing resources over the internet. Examples: Amazon EC2 instance. Here you get all the computing item, you can access it. A form of cloud computing that provides virtualized computing resources. We have all the virtual because you can get it. Key features: usage, manage OS, storage, applications. Public cloud cloud environment owned and operated by third-party provider delivering service over the internet. shared infrastructure, positive frameworks. This is regarding the cloud deployment, where the cloud is located. Actually, cloud deployment model is where cloud is located. A cloud environment owned by, this is where the public person can access the system. Here, shared infrastructure, cost-effective, scalable, and flexible, low and secure. Private cloud, a cloud environment used exclusively by one organization. It can be hosted on premises or third-party provider. This is highly secured. Only one organization can access. Security wise is high, customizable, more expensive than public. Ideal for state data and regulatory compliance. Hybrid cloud, a definition, a combination of public and cloud, allowing data and application to be shared between them. Characteristic flexible deployment, better cost management, enhanced disaster recovery option, complex to manage. Use case, a company might keep sensitive customer data in a private cloud while using the public cloud for running web apps. Summary is what we have learned: cloud characteristics and the service model and the deployment model. And these are the key areas. Before we go into the AWS, we have everyone who does the cloud company has to know. So cloud deployment model is where is the cloud is located. Cloud service model is what I get from the cloud, and the key features of the cloud are those five areas. Those are the things you have to keep in mind. So please subscribe to my and have a nice day.